Hey guys, welcome back. I'm pulling off my wig. This was a custom made wig and my hair is about 2 weeks old. This is the braiding pattern. As you can see, I suffer from alopecia. I will be taking the Afri Nomadik twist in the 14-inch color 1B 27, and this is another alopecia videos. I have very thin, fine hair, thin edges, and balding right behind the front of my edges. And I just wanted to come and do another crochet video. This is a protective style, just to let alopecia sufferers know that we can still wear protective braid styles. We can control our own tension on our hair by not pulling too tight. What I'm doing is just taking the braids, and I bought about 6 packs, but I'm only using 5. And I like to spread it evenly throughout my hair, front to back. And I use wide gaps when I first begin, just to kind of get a feel of how I want to lay the hair. Don't mind me, I am grooving out to some old school tunes. So I pretty much have it filled to my desire. So what I'm doing is closing that huge gap down the middle. You can see how wide it is. So what I'm doing is taking the needle underneath both braids, pulling the twist through, and then you just pull it and then it closes that gap. And then you just want to repeat that on the sides where the other gaps are. You see those big 2 gaps on the side? Just put your needle underneath both plaits or braids. As you can see, I'm doing it right here. Pull the twist through and then it'll close up those big wide gaps. So I think 5 packs was great. I love that it's not too much. What I'm doing right now is taking the little bit of the edges that I have left, and I'm just using some Murray's edge control and slicking them down. I will be wearing the hairstyle down, so I don't need anything but some edge control right here. And that about does it for this style. I think it's super cute. It took me about 1.5 hours to do. This is the front and the sides. 5 packs was good for me. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and I will see you in the next video. Bye.